Hi guys, welcome back to 6-Star IT's YouTube channel. It's Brian here and we're back with another review. Today we'll be taking a look at the all-new DDPAI Z50 dashcam. The Z50 comes in 4 different variants from the official store. We have the front cam only, front cam with GPS, front and rear cam, and front and rear cam with GPS. The variant that we have here right now is a front and rear cam with GPS variant. Now, first thing you'll notice is that the packaging is slightly different. You now get a gold and black finishing with a bit of carbon fiber feel. Inside the box is still pretty standard. You get a 3.5 meter long front camera cable, a 5 meter long rear camera cable, and you also get all the other accessories that you need inside the box. Now out of the box, the build quality feels absolutely amazing. You can immediately tell the difference if you were to hold, let's say, the Z40 and the Z50 side by side. Even if we were to do a blind test, I'm pretty sure that 99% of you would feel it as well. There's just so much more weight to a device compared to Z40, and the material used feels way more premium. So I happen to have a scale with me right here, so we can see now how much the Z50 weighs in comparison to the Z40. Okay, so we have the Z40 first. Z40 weighs about 111.8 grams. So the Z50, as you can see, newer model, larger screen, weighs about 132.9 grams. One of the biggest noticeable difference is that the bracket is now no longer detachable compared to the Z40, and I think it's a great change because you no longer have to worry about bits of the bracket breaking. You don't want all sorts of trouble related to the bracket. The downside is that now if you want to attach your dashcam, you have to peel off the entire adhesive part. If you want to install it back, then well, you have to replace the adhesive part and an electrostatic sticker as well. You get great heat sinks around the adhesive area, which aids in the cooling of the device. You also get a similar rear cam with its predecessor, the DDPAI Z40. After connecting the power source, you'll first notice that the screen is now slightly bigger. It's now 2.3 inches wide. I think it's a pretty noticeable difference, and you'll also notice this cool little screensaver, which is just cute. The functionality of the 4 buttons has also changed slightly. They have removed the mic button and replaced it with something way more useful. A live preview for the rear cam in which you can switch between the front view and the rear view. The user interface of the DDPAI Z50 also gets an upgrade with an all-new updated look, further contributing to its overall premium feeling. Now let's take a look at the front camera. The front camera packs a 4K resolution Sony IMX415 video sensor alongside 7 optical lens and night viz technology. After about a month of using this device, I can say that both day and night quality has been absolutely superb. Here are examples of clips in little to no street light conditions where the only light source is from my headlights. The Z50 also features DDPAI's all-new Rockchip RV1126 processor, which is way more powerful than Z40's Sigma Star 8629Q. This in turn contributes to better image processing for the DDPAI Z50. The Z50's front camera lens offers up to 140-degree wide-angle view, same with the DDPAI Z40. My only criticism here is that it only records up to 25 FPS for 4K resolution. I think 30 FPS would have been a great bonus. At the moment, you only get 30 FPS if you downscale the resolution to 2K resolution or 1080p. Just like all DDPAI dashcams, the DDPAI Z50 uses supercapacitor instead of lithium-ion batteries. The supercapacitor here acts as a temporary backup power to ensure that file writing is complete in case of a power loss. The supercapacitor can be said to be better at withstanding the heat that a dashcam will typically experience when installed on a windscreen. It still has the Z-series trademark D2Safe storage technology, which is a 1GB internal non-flash storage in case your SD card fails. ADAS is also available for the GPS version, but so far the only command that I've heard is vehicle ahead start, which kind of signifies that the vehicle ahead has started moving. Since reality feels really stable on this model, you rarely get those sort of like wonky overlays that you sometimes experience on the Z40 or more like Entry Pro. You still get all the cool data exclusive to a GPS version. However, I do kind of wish that they added 5 GHz Wi-Fi instead of 2.4 GHz to this new model. I think they will greatly speed up the downloading process of clips. There have been times in my car where I've just sat down and be like waiting for my 4K high detail clips to get downloaded, and it's just infuriatingly slow. Okay, so overall final thoughts. The price of DDPAI Z50 starts from $469 and you can go all the way up to $699 if you get the front and rear GPS version. You can easily get it for a cheaper price if you wait till sales period. Do I think it's worth it? Well, for 2022 latest release, I would say yes, because of all the extra features that comes with it as well. But whether or not I'm getting the Z50 GPS version or non-GPS version, it would depend on your budget. I don't think it's super necessary since the camera quality that you get is pretty much the same. Super capacitors are the deal breaker for me because I want something that is able to withstand the hot climate of Malaysia. The front cam build quality and camera quality is also really nice, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thanks to everyone for watching this video. I hope it helped you and gave you some insight regarding the DDPAI Z50, and make sure to like this video and subscribe and share it to your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next one.